Man, my cousin just came in. This dude has a Mercedes SLR. Like the wheels on it. He has a wrap on it too. Yeah, he has a wrap on it. I'll ask him about it. That's crazy. Oh, shit. That was crazy. First time hearing this car in person. I can smell it too. That was crazy. It's raining right now. Now I can hear some burbles. Man, he has the 5-point, it's a Mercedes SL. He has the 5.0-liter V8 in it. I don't think it's supercharged. That was crazy. Alright, see you, man. Holy shit. What? Damn, that is crazy. Nah, my Genesis coupe is nothing like that. That's wild. Yeah, drive slow. It just happens to be raining. I gotta watch the front of my car right now. Damn, there it goes.